So today we are going to play this game called the Magic Alphabets, in which we place the alphabet around the figure whose name starts with that alphabet. Alright. So this is the playing board. These are the alphabets. The game's called Magic Alphabets. Learning while playing. So let's get started. The alphabets are here, the figures are here, of different fruits, animals, etc. This is apple, A for apple. So we're gonna place A beside the apple. A for apple. And then B for ball. Let's find B. Here it is, B for ball. Now we gotta make the way for B to travel on the track and reach the ball. Yes, we made it happen. Now C for cat. We need C. Let's find C. Yes, this is C. So let's place C near the cat. C for cat. Now D for dog. Where is D? It's here. Let's make way for D. D is gonna travel on the track, and let's place D near the dog. Right here, D for dog. E for elephant. Where is he? It's here. Yes. Now we're gonna make way for E and place E near the elephant. Flag. Flag starts with F. This is F. Great! F for flag. Now G for goat. Here's G, and here's the goat. We need to place the G near the goat like this. H for hen. Where is H? It's right here. Let's make way for H. Now H is going to be placed near the hen like this. I for ice cream. Let's find I. It's right here. I for ice cream. J for jackal. This is J. Let's make way for J. Like this. Let it go through. J for jackal. K for kite. K is here. Make a way for K to reach the kite. L for lion. L. Let's place it near the lion. M for mango. M is right here. Now N for nest. N is here. And now we place it near the nest. O for orange. O is here. Let's take it till the orange. P for peacock. This is P. And here we've placed it near the peacock. Q for queen. The Q in pink. Yes, here it goes. R for rabbit. We placed R here. Great. S for sun. Oh, sun is far away. Let's see how we can make it happen. Let's make the way for it. Yay! Let's place it. S for sun. Now T for tiger. This is T. We'll place it near the tiger. Make the way first. Yay! T for tiger. U for umbrella. Ew, this was close. V for viper. Got it? And placed it right beside it. Wool. W. This is W. Place it near the wool. Xmas tree. We need X. Because Xmas tree starts with the letter X. We place it here. Y for yacht. Where is Y? Y is right here. Let's place it here. Yay! Z for zebra. We need Z. Yes, we got it. This is the last letter left. Let's find a way. And hooray! We did it! Z for zebra. Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.